guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 different ways you could do Valentine's heart hairstyles. They are super quick and easy, super cute, and if you guys want to see how I get these looks, please keep watching. I'm going to start by curling my hair, and I'm going to be using the Vodana Glamwave Curling Iron. This is the 36mm or the 1.42 inches. This is my all-time favorite curling iron. I always get the prettiest waves, and they do come in 3 different sizes. I will have them linked down below. So as usual, I'm going to start by parting my hair in the middle and just kind of brushing it forward. And I'm going to start by curling my hair from the back and moving my way to the front. I'm going to curl my hair away from my face for all sections. So I'm going to be grabbing a section of hair, and then I'm just going to clamp it about halfway down and then just curl it up and then slide it down. And I'm gonna hold the end because I don't want to curl the end. I do want the end to remain a little bit straight, and then just let it go. So you get this really beautiful curl, and I'm just gonna finish my entire head.
Lost in your eyes every time, there's no turning back. Swear I ain't got a chance. Had me caught up in you since the night on the terrace, yeah. You had me falling fast. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions. Your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric. Can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric. I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision 'cause of you tonight. It's electric. Double vision. I get lost in your eyes every time. It's electric. Can you feel it?
So I'm pretty much done with one side, and now I'm just going to finish up the other.
Electric. Intoxicated by you, yeah. It's electric. Intoxicate me like you do, yeah. Like you do. It's electric. Can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric. I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision 'cause of you tonight. It's electric. I'm up in my feelings. It's electric. You spark on this chemical reaction. It's electric. Your aura strikes like lightning. It's electric. No, I ain't.
So now that my hair is curled, I'm just going to brush it out to just kind of loosen up the waves.
Got no words, no words. It's electric. Need you in your heart next to mine. It's electric.
Now that I have the curls in my hair, I'm going to be showing you guys the very first heart hairstyle. I'm going to gather 2 sections of hair, and I'm going to tie it together with an elastic.
I can't get 'em out, no matter how hard I try. I need you in your heart next to mine, yeah, I'm all.
And I'm just going to flip it inside out to create a twist. Then I'm going to take a section of hair and pull it through the bottom, and then I'm going to pull it over and basically make a knot. This creates the half heart. And I'm going to repeat this with the other side.
It's electric. Can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high.
I'm going to take those 2 sections of hair and tie them with an elastic.
Got double vision 'cause of you tonight. It's electric.
And then I'm just going to pull out the hair to make the heart a little bit bigger. And this is the final look. For the next hairstyle, I'm going to be gathering 2 sections of hair again and tying it together with an elastic. I'm going to flip this again, but this time I'm going the opposite way, and I'm going to flip it twice. I'm going to divide that pony into 2 sections of hair, and then I'm going to twist it and then tie it together with an elastic. going to pull out pieces of hair to make it nice and poofy.
Way to describe it. It's electric. Can you feel it? You got the only touch that
And this is the second heart.
is electric. I'm up in
For the last heart, I'm going to gather 2 sections of hair again and tie it together with an elastic.
it's electric.
Then I'm going to take a second elastic and tie it a few inches below that first hair tie. Then I'm going to divide that in half and pull the ponytail through. Then I'm going to take that entire pony and tuck it into my hair, but not completely.
Intoxicated by
Then I'm just going to pull strands out, and this will create the third heart.
trick. Intoxicate me like you do, like you do,
This is the final look.
like you do.
I hope you guys enjoyed these tutorials. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
It takes me high.